Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked onto long-range weather forecast discussion for August 8th to 22nd. Before we get to the forecast, we're watching two areas of tropical concern. We have one that's further to the west, but this is the main concern. And this is just starting to come off, will be coming off the African coast probably tomorrow. And you can see here that the National Hurricane Center gives it a 40% chance of development. And we have to, this will be watched because there's a better chance it's in a favorable area of development. Okay, we're going to look at the period for August 8th to 12th. And we're expecting more of a zone of flow across the northern states. We have a ridge here building into the northwest and also here across the northeast. And the pattern will be fairly dry for much of the country with above normal temperatures. The extreme heat will remain, I think, parts of the west and maybe somewhere across the northeast. Okay, we get to the surface. Okay, we have a system of northern spring which spread rain from the plains to the Great Lakes late in the weekend. And you can see here is Sunday, 8 p.m. here. Oops. Go back to it. 8 p.m. on Sunday here. Here's the system that we're talking about. And then we go forward in time. And this will bring rain to portions of the Great Lakes. Some of the rain could be locally heavy. The northwest and northern Rockies will experience cooler temperatures until the weekend as the front moves through. And temperatures in the east are forecast to be about 5 to 15 degrees above normal. Temperatures across the northeast and the mid-Atlantic will experience temperatures in the 80s and 90s with increasing humidity. Go look now at the period for August 13th to the 17th. And we still have a zone of flow occurring across the northern states. We have a ridge here and here. So weak height anomalies across the southern states. So this is what the forecasting pattern will look like. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for a large portion of the country with anomalies of up to 4 to 12 degrees above normal. The highest anomalies be across the northwest, lower anomalies across here. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation for this region and for here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Looking ahead for the period for August 18th to 22nd, the zone of flow remains across the northern states and expecting a broad ridge across much of the country. But if you look at the GFS has fairly strong ridge, 594 DM ridge here over the Central Rockies. But it comes, see we have it here. But overall, we're expecting more probably like this sort of pattern. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for little change in the temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Above normal precipitation is forecast for most of the southwest, the northeast, and the mid-Atlantic region, with the probability of occurrence is near 40%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 8th to 22nd. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.